Okay, I've got a new package because it's Monday's new project day. I like to start on Mondays instead of Sundays. I don't know. Monday seems to be the last day of the week, not the first day of the week for me. So, yeah. So, I ordered this. It's inspired by a friend of mine, and I thought it would be fun. So, we got this bubble wrap, but it's tubes instead of like little bubbles. Yeah. So, it took over a month to get here, but it's here. I've been falling behind because I lost a couple days to being in the hospital. No, I'm not going to talk about it, so don't worry about it. And then tubes are weird. Okay. There we go. Okay. I think you need to tint it down a little bit more. Maybe you can see it now. Alright, so it came. It's a little right there. But I think we can get that out. I hope we can get that out. So it feels sturdy, so I'm thinking it might be... Oh, it has a foam roller in it. Don't know if it's... Oh, no. Okay. See this picture? This better not be what's inside this canvas, because I will flip, because I have waited over a month for the right image. Okay. Drills. Are already pre-packed, so yay for that. Got another boat. No spout, but it's a nice deep boat, so I can shake it for doing multi-pickups. Looks like a 3-placer or maybe a 4-placer in there. And look at these, shiny gold tweezers. And 4 squares of glue. Okie doke. Alright, we got an inventory sheet. 48 colors, 50 by 50. And it's flowers. Okay, let's open the canvas. I'm really getting a bad feeling. And I don't feel like putting a disclaimer because I start dropping the F-bombs all over the place. Breathe, girl, breathe. Of course. Flowers I don't mind doing, but there's a bird in this. And as soon as you start putting birds in things, I start not wanting to do it. Birds are just not my cup of tea. Really not my cup of tea. And this better not be birds. Hear my dog's whining. The dog knows I'm upset. Alright. Tape on the canvas. This better just be a misprint. Please be a misprint. Sorry about that. Okay, and it is double adhesive. So I've got to take a look through. Oh my god, not only is it not flowers, it's a great big effing crane. Oh my god. Ah! I'm not even taking the plastic off, guys. Plastic is staying on. It's double-sided adhesive. I peel that plastic back, I'm gonna be so pissed. Oh, and stink? Oh my god. Alright. So that's that unboxing. But guess what, guys? I'm upset. Wait a month and get the wrong canvas. Grr and more grr. Just says diamond painting on the outside of it. Oh, I'm not happy. Okay, well, I'll let you know. I gotta contact the seller.